Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a close look at a really interesting little drone, the high-definition 2.5-inch FPV Quadcopter. This is a compact, ultra-lightweight quad designed for FPV flying, and it packs some serious technology into its small frame. Right off the bat, you notice its size. It's a 2.5-inch class drone, incredibly compact, measuring in at about 4.5 inches cubed. This lightweight design is a big plus, especially as it helps meet those FAA standards, making it easier to fly in many places. It comes in a sleek black finish and is constructed from durable plastic. One of the standout features here is the video transmission. It uses the state-of-the-art O3 system, promising crystal-clear visuals straight to your goggles. This is a huge upgrade for a drone this size, giving you a much better flying experience and clearer footage. Under the hood, it's powered by a highly efficient Taker G435 AIO flight system paired with 14 4500 kV motors. This combination provides plenty of punch for a drone of this size, giving it agile flight characteristics while remaining efficient. Adding another layer of capability is the integrated GPS. This isn't always found on smaller FPV quads, but here it is, offering precision navigation and rapid satellite acquisition. This opens up possibilities for features like position hold or even return to home, adding a safety net to your flights. It comes with a camera included, and to help keep your footage smooth, it features advanced anti-shake technology utilizing a camera damping ball. This is crucial for getting stable video, especially on a fast, agile drone like this. So, what you have here is a high-definition FPV quadcopter that's ultra-lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and fly. It combines top-tier O3 video transmission with a capable flight system, integrated GPS for added functionality, and anti-shake tech for better video. It's a compelling package for anyone looking for a small, powerful, and feature-rich FPV drone.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.